Mastering adverbs of time. When in English matters. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to focus on a very important topic in English grammar: adverbs of time. These are essential components in our sentences that help us express when something happens. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what adverbs of time are, their placement in sentences, and some common examples you can start using right away. First, let's understand what we're dealing with. Adverbs of time are words or phrases that tell us when something happened. They can refer to a specific time, like yesterday or tomorrow, or a length of time, like for 2 hours or since last year. For example, she left yesterday. In this sentence, yesterday is the adverb of time, telling us when she left. Now, let's discuss the placement of these adverbs. Adverbs of time can generally appear in 3 places in a sentence. 1. At the beginning. This is often done to emphasize the time element. For instance, yesterday, I went to the market. 2. In the middle, specifically, after the subject and auxiliary verb, or after the subject and main verb if there is no auxiliary verb. For example, she always eats lunch at noon. 3. At the end. This is the most common position. Example: we're going to the movies tonight. Remember, placement can change the emphasis of the sentence, but not usually its basic meaning. It's time to look at some of the most common adverbs of time. Yesterday, referring to the day before today. For instance, I was sick yesterday. Today, referring to the current day. Example: I am busy today. Tomorrow, referring to the day after today. Example: tomorrow is my birthday. Now, referring to the present moment. Example: I am studying now. Soon, referring to a time close to now. Example: I will leave soon. Always, referring to every time or all the time. Example: I always drink coffee in the morning. Often, referring to many times or frequently. Example: he often forgets his keys. Never, referring to no time in the past or future. Example: I have never been to Australia. Keep in mind that there are many more adverbs of time, but these will give you a good starting point. Well, that's it for our lesson on adverbs of time. They are vital tools that allow us to express when events occur in our sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use some of these adverbs in your daily English conversations. I hope this video has been helpful. Keep exploring, and happy learning.